it is Saturday morning and I'm feeling a little bit better today. I wasn't feeling myself for the past 2 days, so I didn't really vlog, but I'm feeling better, so I'm going to film a weekend vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I am headed to the gym now. I did change. I feel more comfortable in this. I did change my training split up and I will update you guys as soon as I can, I promise. I just didn't want to follow the same workout program again. I just can't. Follow me, you know that. I always train differently and that is how I train my clients as well. I don't give them the same workout for long periods of time because I believe that boredom makes you lose motivation. As far as the day goes, I'm gonna work out, get a little bit of online training done today. Majority of my work is gonna be tomorrow, and then we're going to either head out to dinner or Dave is gonna cook for me. I don't know yet, but I will definitely share it with you guys. So far, that's the plan. So I will see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, it's been a couple of hours and we're about to head out the door to get a late lunch, and then we're gonna head to the pumpkin patch with Slider. With my outfit. Dave's outfit. He's matching me, and we did not plan this. He's wearing this like.
Want to see something more impressive than the outfit? Ooh, it's called Alpha. Yeah.
Man, our lighting sucks. But his shirt is like a reddish color. Oh my God, you're sweating. You're back. He just look at that butt. Do the bikini pose. Seriously, look at that butt. He has a better butt than me. He just finished bringing up pellets from downstairs, and he did like what, 50?
50 bags. It's 2,000 pounds.
He brought up like 2,000 pounds, so he's sweating. I'm trying to make him hurry because I'm hungry, and he's taking forever to get ready.
Hey, took me 3 minutes to get ready.
We're about to head out to the same restaurant we went out last week, but I'm thinking about getting a grinder this time, and I really hope it doesn't rain because I want to head over to a pumpkin patch in Orange, Connecticut. The only pumpkin patch I found in Connecticut that allows dogs. So we're gonna head over there today, and then we'll see what else we do today. Yeah. I'm gonna get rid of this orange hair this weekend. I have to. It looks so bad.
It's not orange.
It is orange. And I also got my lighting in, so I'm excited to set that up to see how it works. Again? Yeah, I'm recording. Oh, you thought I was talking to you?
Yeah.
Nope.
Felt special for a second.
Nope.
I went to the grocery store.
Come here.
I got $2 off milk now. You see it?
Come here.
Handsome.
We love you, honey.
Oh, baby.
We'll be back. Love you, baby. Oh, give me a kiss too.
Oh, baby. I know what you want. Oh, a little treat for Santa, baby.
Do you have wraps too? Ooh, Mexican wrap?
So we're back here at J&M, and she wants to try a grinder, although I told her they're nasty here. So I guess we'll find out when she eats it, because usually I'm wrong.
That is huge. Is that like 3?
It's one and then they cut it into 3 pieces.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, we're good.
All right, enjoy.
Thank you. So that is my grinder. I did not expect it to be this big. It's a chicken parm grinder, and then Dave got a pizza. So we're about to go down on this.
After you want?
My stomach is the size of a 300-pound man. And I had a slice of pizza. Alright guys, Dave did not finish his food, as you can see. He has leftovers. I finished that entire grinder.
That's the grinder in there.
No, I finished the entire grinder and I had a slice of his pizza. But now, I'm like so energized. My heart is like beating 1,000,000 beats per minute, and I was so tired earlier today. So that's what I needed. I needed food. So we are headed out. Ooh, look at my baby. almost fell. Woo! Isn't that handsome? Oh, he's wet.
I know. I'm wet too.
Take what?
In more places than one.
What does that mean?
Huh?
What does that mean? So we're heading back home. There's nothing to do here. We drove an hour for nothing. Oh. All right, we are home. We picked up some ice cream so we can have a movie night. So I got this one. It's like fat-free diet shit. And I got Dave this one. This one's like my favorite. It's so good. But I can't have this right now because I'm dieting. And for me, some fat-free Cool Whip and some chocolate sprinkles. So I'm going to cook something for cider and get in comfortable clothes, make a bowl of ice cream, and that is that. I wanted to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is now Sunday and I'm about to head to the gym, but I wanted to make something clear before I head out because I'm sure I'll forget later on. So I know that I am eating out a lot and I'm cutting, but you guys have to realize that my body is used to eating a lot of calories. So I'm just going to try to explain this really quick because I have to go. My body has maintained 125 to 127 for the past year, eating probably no lower than 2,700 calories. And I say this because I was going out to eat multiple times a week. So I was eating out like 3 to 4 times a week, and I'm not the type of girl who takes a couple of bites of her food and says, oh, I'm done. No, I go, I eat, and I eat everything. And you guys just have to take my word for it. But I eat everything, and on top of that, I also have some of Dave's food. And on top of that, we would get dessert or an appetizer or even both. My body went from, you know, eating 3 to 4 times a week, that amount of food, to basically eating out once a week. For my body, that is a deficit. I do see progress the way that I'm doing it. So I'm doing things slow and steady because I don't want to just look skinny. I want to maintain as much muscle as I can, so I have to cut slow. My body has been used to eating 27 to probably like 5,000 or 6,000 calories when I go out to eat, and it has maintained. So I wasn't gaining weight. That means that my body was used to that amount of calories. So in order for me to drop fat or weight or whatever you want to call it, I don't have to do a dramatic cut. I don't have to go on a 1,500 calorie diet. Like, I don't have to do that because my body has been used to eating all these foods. Now, just because I'm still eating out and I'm still eating a lot does not mean that this is easy for me. For the past 3 to 4 days, I have struggled. I still struggle, and that's because my body and my mind has been used to eating everything and anything I want in the portion sizes that I want. So cutting back is still hard for me. Don't compare yourself to anybody else. Do what works for you, and don't let others' opinions make you doubt your own plan. I just wanted to clear that up. Yes, I'm still cutting. Yes, I'm still seeing progress. And again, I'm not competing. This prep is not for a competition. This is for photos that I need for the gym. I'm not even going to be showing much of my body. I just wanted to do this little cut just to feel a little bit tighter and to see more definition in my arms, which is where I'm seeing the most progress. This is not a competition prep, so I don't have to be strict. And even if I was competing, I always find a way to not be so strict with my diet because I just can't maintain that, and I go crazy, I get moody, and I don't enjoy that. I don't think anything is worth being
angry about. Like, I don't want to prep and feel miserable and have my workouts suffer and be moody with my family and my loved ones. I don't think it's worth it, and I might not get as lean as someone else who is doing it like more strict way, but that's fine because I'm taking care of my mental health, and that's number one for me. So that is that. I'm gonna head to the gym, get a killer workout because I have all these foods from yesterday, and I will see you guys later.
All right, so I have exactly 12 minutes before I have to head down to the gym. So I'm gonna eat some oatmeal. I just have 2 packets of that apple, sugar-free apple, I think it's like sugar-free apple cinnamon oatmeal, and then I have about a quarter or a third of a scoop of protein powder, and that's it. So today I'm back on my plan. Yesterday I enjoyed myself, and today and the rest of the week I'm back on my plan. That's what I do. I don't like to call it a cheat meal or a treat meal. I just like to go out to eat and enjoy myself, and that's that. And the past 2 days I've been struggling really bad with my workouts. Like, I would go to the gym and I was just tired. Like, it would take everything out of me to get my heart rate up. I was just struggling for the past 2 days, and then today I went in and I had such a killer workout. It's insane what food can do for you. So I would rather eat more one day and have more energy to kill my workouts than continue eating a certain amount of food and having shitty workouts. That's just my opinion. I prefer to eat and use food as fuel. So that's basically what I do, and yeah, it works for me. And I don't track my calories, but that's because I've been doing this for a very long time, guys. So I can pretty much eyeball everything. I know what I'm eating. Even though I don't track, I'm very aware of what I'm eating and around how many calories I'm eating. I don't necessarily know how many grams of carbs and fat and protein I intake, but I'm pretty aware of the calories, if that makes sense. I'm going to eat my oatmeal, go train a client, and then head over to Target, and then just come home and edit and work on my client programs, and that's it. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. I'm sorry if it's kind of boring. This weekend was kind of like there's nothing really to do because it's raining outside, and so it's pretty boring, but I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Here we go. Whew. I'm excited because Target has like all the seasonal stuff, so I'm excited to go to Target. We don't go to Target often, but I am excited because I love shopping. I can spend an hour at the store without a problem. So I will show you guys what we get at Target, and I will see you guys in the next clip. $12 for a concealer? Wow. What do you think meat-wise we should get cider? You told me these were good, right? For cider? This is $5.99.
Wow.
For cider?
Thought I maybe want some pineapples. Ha ha ha! Yes! You want a pineapple? You sure? So I went and got the truck for her so she wouldn't get wet. Oh, she's walking out into the rain anyways. Actually, she's already got everything, and I'm stuck behind this guy. Well, can't see. But that's her. Yeah, little warrior. Come on, Bella. Hurry up, you're getting wet. Yeah.
This car is fantastic. This car is
She's saying something. Oh, probably open the door.
Stop recording! So for the past 10 minutes, I've been really pissed off at Dave because you guys saw in the video, I dropped food and he didn't get off and help me because he was too busy recording. But now I'm alrighted and I'm gonna pick up some makeup and head back home. Okay guys, so we're back home and I'm just gonna show you guys what we bought, and then I'm gonna end the video because I'm really not doing anything for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna work online and lay on the couch. So at Target, we picked up some pasta sauce, some Greek yogurt, and then I also got the vanilla Greek yogurt from Delight and Fit. And then I picked up this bread to have with my egg white toast. We picked up 2 of these. One is for Cider and one is for Dave. And then I got turkey for my protein. I just got the extra lean ground turkey. And then I picked up some pumpkin for Cider. And then this is for Dave. Dave picked up some spaghetti. And I picked up the Oat Fit for my pre-workout. So that was at Target. And then at Rite Aid, I went to Rite Aid just because it's cheaper to get like my makeup stuff there. So we got soap because we were out. This is the face wash that I use. And the face scrub that I use. All right, so for my makeup, I picked up this eyeliner. And this is the concealer that I have been using for like 2 years. And these 2 items I just started using like 2 months ago. This is the Wet n Wild CoverGirl Perfecting Palette, but I only use the yellow color under my eyes. And then I use this to set my makeup. It's the Maybelline Master Fix Loose Powder. And I need a new blush, so I picked up this blush. But that's about it. So I'm gonna end the video here, and I will see you guys tomorrow.